Hello, I am going to be showing you how I made my vision board using a recycled cardboard. For the sake of this video, you will hear me calling this a carton because that is what I know it to be, but it is also called a cardboard. This cardboard was gotten from a package delivered to the house. I just cut it to shape and this is what we have. I am recycling the cardboard and this is a wallpaper. Leftover wallpaper that has been lying around the house. And we have the scissors. This is a glue stick. I have the transparent sellotape, and then this is a two-sided sellotape. Ruler, paper cutter, of which you can use your scissors if you do not have a paper cutter. The whole idea is make do with what you have in the house. It doesn't have to be expensive. This is a nano tape. I will be using the nano tape to stick my vision board to the wall. And that is a craft knife that I am holding. It is also called a utility knife. And that is it. I am going to be wrapping the carton with the wallpaper. This is the point where you make do with anything you have. Another idea would be to use a contact paper. You know those craft paper that is sticky on one side and has different design on the surface? You could use that to wrap around your recycled carton. So I am going to be wrapping this carton with my leftover wallpaper using the transparent sellotape. And yes, don't expect it to be pretty on the other side because I'm just going to go anyhow on it. What I am doing is cutting the carton to size or to shape so that it can fit properly with the wallpaper. And after which I am going to fold the wallpaper nicely around the carton and then stick together with the transparent sellotape. And that's it. If this is your first time attempting to make a vision board, this is me saying congratulations to you because trust me, vision board works. I shared in my previous video on manifestation how to make your visions on your vision board come to manifest. I spoke about how I'm able to achieve and manifest my dream life. If you haven't watched that video, I advise you to watch the video. I'll be linking it in the description below. As you can see, the board is almost ready. I have wrapped the wallpaper around the carton and it's almost ready. Before I go into sticking the printout of my visions on this vision board, I made a video showing and explaining how to download free images from Pinterest, how to download free images on your phone, and how to prepare them in a collage so that you can be able to print with a printer instead of having to go and print out from a photo book or using a photo paper. You can easily do it using a printer. So the next video now will be how to download free images from Pinterest. If you already have your printouts, you can forward to the next step of this video. This is a quick tutorial on how to download free pictures from Pinterest. It is expected that you would have downloaded the app from your Play Store, and then we go on Pinterest. In the app, you're going to see a visible search icon. That is where you're going to be searching or typing out exactly what you want. I am working on a vision board and I want to be as specific as possible, so I am looking for a picture of a wedding dress on a black woman. To save this picture, you will click on the three dots located on the top right side of your phone and then you select download image. Kindly pay attention to the red arrows I have indicated on this video so it can help direct you accordingly. By clicking on download image, you have automatically saved the picture on your device. The next picture I am looking for will be meditation, something that reflects meditation, calmness. So I am looking for a yoga posture. So this is a good one. You click on download image to save the image on your device, in this case on your phone. And the next one is I am looking for a picture that reflects a praying woman or a prayerful woman And these are lots of options, but let's see. I like this one, becoming a woman who prays. Image to save on my device. And then let's do one more. Journaling. Let's do journaling. So this is for journaling. You get lots of options. I like how this one looks and I'll be downloading. So that's it. The next app I am using is the Collage Maker. This will help you put multiple pictures on one page so that way you can easily send to the printer and print on an A4 paper, for example. So you're going to go to Collage and then we select the photos that we have downloaded from Pinterest. And this is what we have. What I am doing is adjusting the layout to ensure that the photos align properly and then selecting the ratio to ensure that it is on an A4 paper because I am going to be printing these photos on an A4 paper. And that is it. Mind you, you can use other apps like PixMix and Pixstory. After adjusting the layout, remember to click Save. This is saved to gallery as you can see, and now it is ready to be printed out on an A4 paper. And that is it. You are good to go. Let us go back to making our vision board. These are the printouts of images I got from Pinterest that align with my vision, and it's going to be going on my vision board. I also printed out some words of affirmation and Bible verses that align and resonate with what I stand for and what I believe. These will all be going on my vision board. So we're going to be cutting this with a scissors or a paper cutter. Since I have a paper cutter, I am going to be using the paper cutter to be cutting these printouts. Now that I have finished cutting the printout, I am going to be laying them on the vision board so I can have an idea how I want it laid out and arranged, because I am very intentional with how I want it to look. I want to be going for something calming to the eyes, less crowdy, less busy, and pleasing to the eyes overall. So I am going to be laying them out just to have an idea before I start sticking them. So let's do this. As you can see, it is time to use the two-sided tape to stick the cutouts on the vision board. I ensure not to make my vision board look crowdy or crowded. A gentle reminder that vision board is not just about sticking cutouts and printouts on a board and expecting for some miracle to just happen or some magic to just happen just like that. It is very important to take actions. So next to this, your vision board, I advise you to also make mini actionable goals. So if, for example, on your vision board, you are looking to start meditating, you want to go into meditation, how about starting with 3 minutes today, 5 minutes tomorrow, and then just keep growing gradually. Make actionable mini goals so that at the end of the day, it all falls and aligns with these goals that you're putting on your vision board. Bottom line is you need to take action. You need to make actionable goals. I really advise you to watch the manifestation video I made to really give you tips and ideas on how to make your vision board come to manifest. As you can see, my vision board is not looking crowded, which is very intentional. I am also going to be making available spaces for updates and changes on my vision board because I believe as life happens, I could have a reason to update my vision board or change one or two things. So why not? I'm going to also be leaving spaces for that on the vision board. I am a strong believer of growth. So as we grow every day, so does our goals and our vision grow. So I am making spaces for that on my vision board. I like how this looks. I like how pleasing it is to my eyes. That is exactly what I am going for. Yes. This is what the end product looks like. It doesn't have to be perfect. And like I said, I like that it is flexible, just like our goals and desire. We grow every day. So does our goals, our interest, our desire grow, right? So it could change. So I deliberately like it this way. That way I can easily change, something. I can update, I can change, and that's where the two-sided tape comes in. I like that I have my Bible verses to just give me word, flesh to this vision. Basically, these are like what you call mantras or words that I believe in and I hold on to. In this case, I have Bible verses. So you could see clearly I had to make this one stand out because that's the whole idea. Write a vision and make it plain on the tablet so that a runner that run can read it. So the whole idea is that you're making it very, very visible and plain so that when you wake up and you look up on your vision board, it's clear. Do you get? That's how I understand it. And I have other things that are just not Bible verses. Like this one, I deserve every good thing in life. That is one thing I always stand for. Like, why not me? You get? So this is the end product of what my vision board looks like. It doesn't have to be expensive. Just work with what you have. I used the wallpaper. This is a leftover wallpaper I had. I used it just for basis. I recycled a carton. It could be a cardboard. It could even be a piece of paper you just print. As long as you put it in a place, your wardrobe or on a wall where you always see it. The whole idea is put it in a place you will see it, you come in contact with, and it will resonate or push you. It's supposed to motivate and inspire your actions to achieve this. So this is basically the end product, and this is why I like it open and flexible. If a vision here is updated, I like that I can either remove it or just make a note, and I can always update. I want it to be flexible. I want to be able to be updating it anytime, any day. That's why I like the flexibility of this kind of vision board. So you could try it, and then if you want the whole all framed up sealed one, some people use the picture frames and then it has the glass cover. If that works for you, fine. If you know that you'll not have any reason to remove it, even if you do, it's fine by you. I just like that I can stick out and place it back. I would still have to do like final finishing touches, like put more two-sided tape on these edges, but the whole idea is that I have this already. Very easy. I remember the back side. This is the back side, but this is going to go against the wall with the nano tape. So this is where the nano tape comes. It's like a very strong tape. I'm just going to stick them and put it to the wall. So yeah, our vision board is ready, and I have spaces to add more. I like to add more in future or as time goes on or based on my dynamics or what life brings, but it can only get better. I hope this is useful. I hope you're able to make your vision board, and above all, action is very important. Make sure you have many actionable steps to take to achieve what is on your vision board. I wish you all the best, and keep in mind, it can only get better. Every process is important. Enjoy the process, enjoy the pace. Celebrate the little steps, the little win, because it all comes together at the end of the day. I wish you all the best. I hope this is very helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.